Hello, wellness warriors. Welcome to Body Fit Bliss, your hub for fitness and nutrition. Picture this, a world where your plate of food and your workout routine are in perfect harmony, working together to help you reach your health and fitness goals. That's what we're focusing on today. We're going to explore the beautiful synergy between nutrition and fitness. We'll be taking a look at a compilation of delicious, nutrient-packed recipes paired with effective and diverse workout routines. This isn't just about shedding pounds or building muscles. It's about nourishing your body, boosting your energy, and enhancing your overall well-being. We're here to show you how the right food and the right exercise can work together to optimize your results. So, gear up as we dive into this exciting journey towards achieving a healthier lifestyle. Firstly, we're going to explore some delightful, nutrient-packed recipes that are as tasty as they are healthy. Let's start with vibrant salads. Now, salads don't have to be boring. With a mix of colorful vegetables, a lean protein, and a homemade dressing, you've got a dish that's not only visually appealing, but also loaded with essential nutrients. Take, for instance, a simple mixed green salad with grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a dash of olive oil and lemon dressing. This combination offers a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it a perfect meal for any fitness enthusiast. Next up, we have energizing smoothie bowls. These are a fantastic way to start your day or refuel after a rigorous workout. A basic smoothie bowl could include a blend of leafy greens, a banana for natural sweetness, a handful of berries for antioxidants, and a dash of almond milk. Top it with some chia seeds, granola, and a drizzle of honey, and you've got a power-packed breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Last but not least, let's talk about lean protein dishes. Protein is the building block of your muscles and is crucial for recovery after strenuous exercise. A simple grilled salmon with a side of quinoa and roasted vegetables, for example, is a protein-rich meal that's also full of omega-3 fatty acids and complex carbs. This combination helps fuel your body and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. Each of these recipes is not only quick and easy to prepare, but also customizable according to your taste preferences and dietary needs. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals, you're providing your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. It's important to remember that while exercise plays a key role in achieving fitness goals, nutrition is equally, if not more, important. After all, you can't out-train a bad diet. Remember, a good diet is the cornerstone of good health. So let's feast our way to fitness. Now that we've fueled our bodies, it's time to get them moving. First up, we have cardio exercises. Cardio is fantastic for burning calories, strengthening the heart, and boosting overall endurance. It goes hand in hand with our energy-packed smoothie bowls. The natural sugars in the fruits provide a quick energy boost, the perfect fuel for a high-intensity cardio session. Next, we turn to strength training. This form of exercise focuses on building muscle mass, which in turn helps burn more calories even when you're at rest. Our lean protein dishes are the perfect match for strength training. Proteins are the building blocks of our muscles, and consuming sufficient amounts of it aids in muscle recovery and growth. Finally, we delve into flexibility exercises. These types of workouts promote better posture, reduce muscle soreness, and increase overall body strength. Our nutrient-rich salads are the perfect complement here. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that help maintain healthy muscle function and aid in recovery. But remember, while each workout has its unique benefits, the key to a successful fitness journey is variety. Mixing up your workouts not only keeps things exciting, but also ensures you're working different muscle groups and not overworking any one area. Just like with our food, where we aim for a balanced plate with proteins, carbs, and healthy fats, our workout regimen should also be balanced with cardio, strength, and flexibility workouts. And just as we experimented with different ingredients in our recipes, don't be afraid to try various workout routines. You might just find a new favorite. It's also important to listen to your body. If you're feeling particularly energetic, take advantage of that and push yourself a bit harder. But if you're feeling a bit low, it's okay to take it slow. Remember, fitness is not a one-size-fits-all, and what works best for you is what's most important. So choose a workout that resonates with you and give it your all. Remember, consistency is key. Scene script. Combining nutritious food with regular workouts isn't just about looking good. it's about feeling good too. Imagine the human body as a well-oiled machine. Every cog, every wheel, every spring works in harmony to create a symphony of movements. That's exactly what happens when you fuel your body with the right nutrients and engage in regular exercise. This harmonious blend doesn't just help you achieve your fitness goals, but it also plays a critical role in your overall well-being. Take weight management, for instance. When you eat a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and pair it with regular physical activity, you create an energy balance. This balance ensures that the calories you take in are equal to the calories you burn, helping you maintain a healthy weight. But the benefits go far beyond just weight control. Regular exercise and a nutritious diet can significantly boost your energy levels. Think about it. When you provide your body with quality fuel and keep your engine running with regular activity, you're bound to have more energy to tackle everyday tasks. And let's not forget about the positive impact on mental health. Regular physical activity has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression and improve mood and overall mental well-being. Similarly, eating a healthy diet can improve brain health, positively influence your mood, and even help manage mental health disorders. Consider the story of John, a middle-aged man who struggled with obesity and depression. John decided to change his lifestyle, incorporating nutrient-rich meals and a regular exercise routine. In just 6 months, not only did John lose 40 pounds, but his energy levels skyrocketed, his mood improved, and he even noticed a significant decrease in his depressive symptoms. Or take Sarah, a busy mom who always felt tired and struggled to keep up with her active kids. By introducing healthier recipes into her family's meals and scheduling regular workouts, she found herself with more energy, better focus, and a more positive outlook on life. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. We hope you've enjoyed this compilation of healthy recipes and workout routines. It's a delightful dance between nutrition and fitness, a harmony that can lead us to the peak of our health and wellness. Remember, it's not about deprivation or exhaustion, but rather nourishment and vitality. In the kitchen, we've explored nutrient-packed salads, vibrant smoothie bowls, lean protein dishes, and more. Each recipe designed to fuel your body, providing the essential vitamins and minerals to keep you active and energized. In the gym, we've delved into cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. These workouts are tailored to complement our wholesome meals, enhancing your endurance, muscle strength, and flexibility. Incorporating these healthy recipes and invigorating workouts into your daily routine can significantly contribute to your fitness journey. It's about creating a balance that suits your lifestyle, and most importantly, makes you feel good. Don't forget to subscribe to Body Fit Bliss for more fitness and nutrition tips. Here's to a healthier and happier you.